Nakikita nyo ba yung mga taong yan? Na malapit sa malaking bato. Yan ang Everest Base Camp. Diyan sila nagpapapicture madalas. At ito lang yung nakikita ko sa picture. Yan yung Khumbu Glacier. At yan ang Khumbu Ice Fall. Yan. Yan. Dogleg right. Going up. Then Camp 1 there. You can see Camp 2. Sandwiched between the buildings. Camp 3 is high above. Between Everest and Lhotse. Camp 4. Somewhere there. And the summit. Okay. Hanip. Picture niya natin. That's the base camp. Pero hindi pa tapos. Bababa pa tayo. Tapos aakyat. Tapos bababa. Pero thank you Lord.